If you have planned to visit Thailand or already staying, you should know top 4 ride-hailing apps. Those ride-hailing apps will make you more easier and safer to travel one place to another with fixed price, no need to bargain, and save time. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will introduce top 4 ride-hailing taxi services in Thailand. What are they and what areas are covered? Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe now for more update videos and don't forget to turn on notification bell. Let's get started. Top 4 Magazine. Magazine service available in Bangkok, Khon Kaen, Chonburi, Nakhon Ratchasima, Phuket, Hat Yai, Udon Thani, Chiang Mai and Pattaya. Top 3 InDrive. InDrive operates in Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Phuket, Pattaya, Krabi, and Koh Samui. Top 2 Bolt. You will find Bolt service in Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Phuket, and Pattaya. Top 1 Grab, which is most popular in Southeast Asia, all in one platform. GrabFood, Grab Rides, GrabMart, so much more. Grab service available in Ayutthaya, Chiang Mai, Khon Kaen, Nakhon Si Thammarat, Songkhla, and Hat Yai, Udon Thani, Bangkok, Chiang Rai, Krabi, Pattaya, Surat Thani, and Koh Samui. Buriram, Hue Hin, Nakhon Ratchasima, Phuket, and Ubon Ratchathani. Do you have experience using one of them? Please share your favorite ride-hailing app in the comment. Thank you for watching. See you next video.